Trasco Group was born in 1952 as a poultry business. From its origins to date, it has been known for relying on state-of-the-art equipment and first-class human resources that have proposed innovative products and business models for the Mexican poultry industry. This time, the turn in the innovation process corresponds to its mixed feed Protemax, designed for both dairy cattle and feeder cattle. Protemax is mainly formulated with broiler litter. This is a byproduct of the 7-week broiler cycle. When broiler litter arrives at the warehouse of the sanitization plant, located in Mapimi in the state of Durango, Mexico, a lot number is assigned to it. Subsequently, it is discharged at the receiving hopper, where the sanitization and sterilization processes start. A mill processes broiler litter into very fine particles before entering the dehydration process, where they will receive high temperatures. At the end of it, the broiler litter has transformed into a sanitized poultry ingredient. Sanitized chicken litter is conveyed to finished product bins, from which it will be delivered by truck to the pelleted feed mill in the city of Gomez Palacio in the state of Durango, Mexico. All the sanitization process is performed automatically by electronically controlled equipment. The main objective of this process is to preserve the nutritional properties of the broiler litter as well as eliminate bacterial contamination. Before being sent to the pelleting plant, the sanitized broiler litter goes through a strict quality control analysis, for which samples of the product are retained to make its analysis. After the quality process is performed, sanitized broiler litter becomes an innocuous poultry product, ready for use as an ingredient in the mixed feed industry on par with any vegetable feed. In the pelletizing plant located in Gomez Palacio, Durango, sanitized broiler litter is discharged into the receiving pit, like corn, soybean meal, and other vegetable ingredients that make up the formula. The ingredients are deposited into their corresponding silo. Subsequently, it is transported by an underground conveyor drag into an elevator that downloads them to their specific dosing silo. After the ingredients are weighed and mixed, the feed formula has been finished. It is discharged in the receiving hopper, where it will be transported to the elevator and from there to the pelletizing process. To condition the formula, it is necessary to use steam. In this step, molasses is also added to enhance the palatability of the product. After conditioning the feed, it is discharged into the pellet mill. The pelleting mill processes steam conditioning feed and throws pellets of the required size to the cooler. On leaving the cooler, Protemax has been developed as a cattle feed. It is then downloaded in the elevator and subsequently it is discharged to a finished product hopper, from which it will be sent to dairy stables and beef stables. Laboratory standards of the bacteriological quality of Protemax are comparable to the best cattle feed made solely out of vegetable ingredient sources. Protemax feed is produced by Trasco with state-of-the-art technology, the best civil and structural engineering, and an experimented and committed human workforce. Trasco sought top-of-the-line equipment as well as the best computerized control system of the feed industry to ensure that cattle rations are efficiently balanced. Protemax carries Trasco's warranty.